For our company, serving customers, MSP capacity, we really want something that could provide endpoint security and give us the capabilities that allow us to support our clients. And PC Matic was able to do that at a very, very competitive price. We have on several occasions, and I found that they were very responsive and diligent in staying on top of the issue and staying in contact with us. So yeah, we've been pleasantly surprised with the support model. Yeah. Well, number one, just helping us educate our customers regarding endpoint security has been a lot easier when you can show them, right? And having a single solution that'll do that with one portal versus several different applications has really been a benefit to us and to our clients. Yeah, the remote access feature saves us enormous amounts of time, right? Instead of trying to get on another application and do a sharing, we can literally just get right into the customer's PC, have them log in, and then really just kind of take over and assist them in whatever they need help with. So big time saver versus necessarily rolling a truck to begin with. That's a really good first step that we always take. That usually ends up allowing us to resolve their issue remotely. Yeah, so I would say providing customers with endpoint security that is compact and simple it has just allowed us to really build positive relationships with our customers by removing a pain point. Customers just want to do their their business or their job. They don't want to deal with painful things like constantly dealing with traditional like antivirus, for example. And we really just it's just seamless. They really like it. It doesn't bother them constantly. It's small but powerful, and it gives them that peace of mind. And I think privately for us in our business, we use it as well on all of our machines. It makes us feel the same way, right? And being able to speak to customers from a point of view of hey, look, we use this too, and this is why, I think adds a lot of value. And again, I feel like our company is protected as well through all the benefits that PC Matic has designed into their whitelisting applications. Yeah, one of the biggest things I find of value is there's just so much functionality in PC Matic that allows us to utilize them as our single go-to platform for many things, right? Not only just whitelisting and protection of the endpoint, but also updating the PCs, working with those customers remotely if they need help, and just all those features that are built in. Has allowed us to limit the number of applications that we have to go to. And when you do that, it's just better for you, better for the client, and from a cost savings, it's significant. So that's what I would present to a group of MSPs that were considering PC Matic among other options. And probably the biggest thing that I would push is that we've just always had a great experience with it. And it's just really allowed us to grow our business model in the space without having to, kind of attach other applications that, would be redundant. I would just like to say that, I've dealt with a lot of people at PC Matic, and everyone that I've ever dealt with has always been very supportive, very helpful, and very responsive. So, there's a lot of companies that we could partner with. And we've chosen to go with PC Matic from day one, and we've never left that commitment, and primarily because we feel PC Matic is committed to us as well and our success. So thank you for that, and we do appreciate you guys.